You playing with your choo-choo trains? Oh, can you give me the letter A, please? The letter A.
Letter A? I'm so used not letter A.
What does the letter A stand for?
For apple.
Can you give me the letter A?
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Can you give me the letter B?
Okay, here's a B. I found a B.
What does B stand for?
Ball.
B for ball. Nice. What letter do you have now?
I had C for cat.
C for cat. That's right. What is it?
D for dog.
D for dog. Okay.
E for elephant.
Elephant. That's right.
F for fish.
Oh, F for fish.
F for fish.
Good job.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo. H for hat. Okay.
J for juice.
J for juice. You're right.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
M for monkey.
M for monkey. What's the noise monkey makes?
E.
G
E for juice. G for nuts.
for what? Giraffe?
Yeah, G for giraffe.
That's right.
R for robot.
O for robot.
S for neck.
S for snack. Good job.
Q for queen.
Yeah. Q for queen.
R for robot.
R for robot again.
R for apple.
Oh, that's right.
X for zoomies.
X for what? X zoomies?
F for lion.
L for lion. Roar. Remember what we said X is for? Xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Okay.
Z for cat.
Z for cat.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
L for lion.
Roar.
W for whoa.
Oh, okay.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
Apple.
A for apple.
D for zoo.
Z for zoo.
P for pen.
P for pen.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
S for snake.
S for snake.
D for dog for golden.
Oh, D for dog, right?
Yeah.
What noise does a dog make?
Woof woof.
Oh, that's right.
Y for yo-yos.
Y for yo-yos.
T for two.
T for two and Tarlo.
T for two.
T for Tarlo. Who's Tarlo?
Daddy.
You're
Oh.
Daddy is the Tarlo. What do you got there in your hand?
I got and
What's N for?
and for money.
N for what?
And for nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah, and nuts.
Good job, buddy.
This time.
That's an N, yeah.
This way to go outside.
You're so smart, you little monster. Say hi.
Oh.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Oh.
Bye.
Hi. Can you go get your... What's your favorite train?
Gordon.
Okay, go get Gordon.
Gordon.
Oh, thank you. Can I have it?
Okay.
Okay, I love you. Give me a kiss.
Yeah, you.
Nom 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 nom. Mwah.